In this guide, I'm going to show you how to change a Facebook page name. Intro. First things first, go ahead and open up Facebook and you need to switch the page that you want to rename. Go ahead and tap your profile picture to select all of your profiles and just essentially switch over here and then select those three lines and you need to hit settings and privacy and then hit setting. From here, and you could scroll down until you see it, but I'm just going to search for it. Just go ahead and search for page setup. Select it, hit name, and then of course this is where you change your name just like so. So enter in your new name just like so, and Facebook is going to end up reviewing the new name before of course it does become visible to everyone else. So it might take a little bit of time. It's not going to happen instantly when you change it, but your new page name also needs to follow Facebook's naming rules because this also ends up becoming your Facebook page link as well. The process is as simple as that. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.